Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you a quick and easy way to check your RAM type in Windows 11 without opening your PC. So let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will search for command prompt. Now run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now here you will paste the following command: wmic memory chip get SMBIOSmemoryType. Then press enter. You may see a number instead of DDR. So common values are 26. That means our memory is DDR4. Now you can easily identify your RAM type. That's it. Now you know how to check your RAM type in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. I will paste the command in my description box. You can copy from here and paste in your command prompt. Thanks for watching.